Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to hide tabs and touches while we are using our video screen recorder in Samsung Galaxy S22. So where to find this option, how to change it and how to hide our tabs and touches. So we need to go to settings first, then we are looking for advanced features here. And here we have screenshots and screen recorder options. In here at the bottom we have show tabs and touches. To hide our touches and tabs while we are recording, we simply turn off this option right here in this menu right there. And that's it. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.